Grip your bar with your cable set nice and low with your palms facing away from you. This is called a pronated grip. Exhale as you drive the bar up under your chin, and inhale as you come back down. Keep tension on the biceps the whole time with great posture and your core engaged. Complete with great form through all program repetitions. The reverse cable curl is a solid variation of the bicep curl exercise on the cables. We've got a cable set down here, let's get into it. The reverse cable bicep curl is a very powerful variation of the bicep curl exercise. See how Katie has her hands pronated rather than supinated? This creates a little more elbow integrity for her so that she can train herself to be able to do pull-ups really well. I happen to know for a fact that Katie loves to do pull-ups, so she'll appreciate that. Also, she's doing a great job keeping her back nice and strong, her core engaged, and not using her hips to throw her weight into the bar. Last but not least, she keeps tension the entire time because the power of the cable is that as the cable's pulling down, she has tension through the entire range of motion. Excellent job, Katie.